Hi, welcome! A viewer wrote in and asked, what are these two things that I find on my new flash? And that's what we're going to learn today. 3 minutes of photography.
Action!
This is called a diffusion panel or bounce cut, whereas this is called a wide angle panel. They serve two different things. First, we talk about this one, the wide angle panel. This panel has patterns that look a little bit like the brake lamps of your motorcycle. So when you pull this out and overlap, two things happen. The patterns here and the pattern on your flash integrates and casts the light wider. Whereas at the same time, if you turn this on, you notice that when I pull this out, the zoom of your flash becomes 14mm. If I put this in, it becomes 100 or 200 like now. So every time you pull this wide angle panel out, you are just casting light wider. So where do you use this? When you're shooting group pictures or you have your light to be at a wider angle. And then we have this diffusion panel. Diffusion panel causes the light to be diffused. What is the meaning of diffuse? This is not diffused. This is diffused. So almost all flashes include this. The reason is because you're supposed to bounce your flash. When you bounce your flash, the lights become bigger. Watch this episode and learn how you can bounce your light and get your light softer. So in the event that you don't have a wall and a ceiling, this is how you bounce your light. You use this outdoor. So I'm now waiting for the next person to write to me and say, what happens if I pull out the diffusion panel and also the wide angle panel? What happens now? Write to me. We need more 3 minutes titles. That said, I'd like to introduce to you my e-learning courses on this website here. I have 3 e-learning courses that are related to Flash. This one, and this one. So hurry, head on to this website, this link here, and check out these courses. You're going to love my way of teaching if you just love my 3 minutes way of teaching. These are more than 3 minutes. So can you imagine? That's 3 minutes is so good. This is like, wow.